All right, so everyone, let's multitask at the same time. Grab your pizza, and at the same time, I want you to look at the screen because what I'm about to share with you, I'm going to take you way, way back. I'm going to take you back to something that helped me to get to where I'm at today. Okay, and as I'm drawing this out on the screen, I don't want you to take pictures. You know what I want you to do? I want you to draw the same thing I'm drawing. And I want you to study it over and over. Because I had a call today with Tracy. Tracy, remember that call we had today?
Yes, sir.
And the person that was on, no, it wasn't that call. It was the call after yours.
Right. With my team.
Yeah, some of the people on your team. So the call after yours, we did a, it was with the Atlanta Trade House.
Okay.
And we had a guy who spoke out, and he told me his story. And he said it was because of me. You were on that call, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It was because of my teachings what pushed him to be where he is today. And I felt some kind of way about that. Because I say there's a lot of people that want to be in his position. There's a lot of people that just want to get it. But it's something blocking it where they can't get it. So I told him, I made a promise to him and to everybody who was on that call today. Man, I had like 4 calls, just random calls, because it was just so much in my head. And I said, tonight, I was going to take you guys back to where I started. Yeah. So I'm going to take you guys back to where I started, how I got to where I'm at today. And here we go. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Okay. No worries. Coach, please get levels back up. It's not working. Levels not working. It is working. Your subscription is. I ain't said. One of the guests in the audience said your subscription was good. Yeah, he wrong. All right, so hey, I told you, anything can happen when we live. All right, so here we go, team, real quick. So I want you guys to remember the 4-touch rule. How many of you remember the 4-touch rule? 2 people. All right, team in the back, you guys remember the 4-touch rule? Perfect. 4th touch, the market's going to do what?
Break out.
Okay, perfect. Right hand side, 4th touch, the market's going to do what?
Break out.
2nd touch, the market is called what? Support or resistance. 2nd touch, support or resistance. 3rd touch is what? Confirmation. 1st and 2nd is support or resistance. 3rd touch is confirmation. We've been to that zone 3 times. It's confirming. It's confirming that what we're talking about is true. The 4th touch, that zone is getting weak. That zone is getting super weak. So it's time to break out. So now I want you to remember the rules. The market moves like this. The market moves up. Now, team, focus on this. Can everybody see that line? For everyone in the back, can you see that line? You should be able to see it because it's on your paper. That same line is on your paper. Why? Because you're drawing it. So guess what happens next? After that market draws that line, it pulls back. Okay? When that market pulled back, remember, what are we going to do next? We're going to draw a line. Boom. There we go. We're going to draw a line at the high and a line at the bottom. Y'all see that? So now, do we have support and resistance? Yes or yes? Perfect. I need when you say yes, I need you to say it with confidence. Because when you say it with confidence, you walk out that door, open up your MT4 platform, and place the trade in confidence. I don't want you to be scared when you place trades anymore. Because what's going to happen going forward, that new generational wealth is going to kick in. Woo! You drove 3 hours away. Would you like to have that new generational wealth?
Yes.
Woo! Do you need it?
Yes.
You don't need it. You're already a millionaire. I am a millionaire. There you go. So now check this out, team. Whenever the market makes an impulse move, what is an impulse move? That long, strong move. Okay, you see that long move right there? Anytime the market makes that long, strong move, it's a breakout candle. That breakout candle is usually what type of candle? We spoke about it. We did a demonstration. It's an engulfing candle. Whenever you see that engulfing candle, boom, straight to the moon. Who's in the market? Buyers or sellers? Right here, buyers are in the market. You can tell the buyers are in the market. Why? We got a long, strong move going up. Anytime the market makes a long, strong move to the upside, they're going to give you what percentage? 50. They're going to give you 50% back. You see this move right here? 50% back. So what are we going to do? We're going to put a line right there. Uh-oh. It's about to get good. It's about to get real good right now. Woo! You were on a call earlier, right? You remember this? Did it open up your eyes? Watch this. Now I'm about to show it to the world. We got 167 people on this call. Guys, this is exactly, all right? This is exactly what I used when I first started making a profit. Not when I first started trading, when I first started making a profit because I was losing. I was a consistent loser. And then I applied this right here. Once the market gets to that 50%, is it ready to break through? How many times did we come to the zone?
One.
The market shifts back up. Boom. How many times did we retest this top right here?
Twice. We retested one.
How many times are we? How many times we touched it? So we at the zone 2 times already, right? So here's the first time. Here's the second time. This is considered a double top. You know that little M formation? That M, and then you have the W, and then what's the next letter? M, W, B will buy you what? A BMW. That's what it did for my wife. It did. The MWB bought her a BMW. So I applied this right here. So now we have the double top formation. Boom. Remember this rule. Whenever we have a long, strong breakout candle, we're going to get what percentage back? Ooh. Boom. Stop right there. What happens next? Okay. What percentage? 50. Just like that. Say it just like that. Say it with comment. Look. Boom. 50%. Why? Long and strong move. Something happened. Maybe that country had news. That's the only time you're going to see that large candle. Is when news come out. Something big. Donald Trump, his hair flew off. And news came out and the market dropped. And they said, breaking news. Donald Trump's wig fell off. Boom, the market dropped. Okay, his toupee. Now, how many times did we retest the bottom? Uh-oh. 1 and 2. It's a fight. It's a fight. Between who? The bulls and the bears and the buyers and the sellers. Who's winning? It's a tie. That's how I want you to see it. I want you to see it like that. That's none of your business. This fight is none of your business. Because if you get into this fight right now, you're what? You're trapped in the market. How many of you have ever been trapped in the market? You've been trapped in the market. So right now, if you get into this trade, you say, you know what? I'm going to get into a buy. This thing is going to go up. No. Because we dropped down, we went up 50%. Because we went up 50%, what's the next move? Down. But are we going to break out? Why not? Good stuff. That's the third touch. That's confirmation to that line is support. So that's the third time that we've been there. Uh-oh. This is called what? A double bottom. Uh-oh. That's actually, it's a triple bottom. A triple bottom confirmation to that zone. What happens next? All right, you said it shoot up. You said what? It shoot up. What about the back? What's going to happen? Oh, you said it's going to go down. What lot size you going to put? All right, let's say you put a standard lot size. You just got your income tax. Whoa. You got it. Look. Are you married?
Yes.
You married? You got kids?
Yes.
How many?
4.
4 kids. You got your income tax. You married. And 2 in college. They're about to be mad at you. Yo, you about to sleep on the couch for real. Yo, that's a strong support. Tell them again. That's what happens. You see that strong support. You see that the market came back to that zone again and failed to break out. And you're still going to sell? Look, the market is telling you a story. Go up, strong move up, 50% down. Push back, strong move down, 50% up. Push back down. What happens next? The only way is up. You got to stand a lot on your whole income tax. Oh, Your Honor, I'm ready for a divorce. Boom. What do you see? Do you see the M and the W?
Yeah.
What's next? Y'all see that, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We see the M and we see the letter W. Now we need the V. It always go in those steps every single time. Well, switch to your line chart and you'll see it. You see the V's all over your chart. V for Valentine's. So now, and if it's not a V, the upside down version of a V is going to be this. A, right? You see a V or A, right? So now, who is winning this fight right now? Let me see. I want to know who could tell me what your next move could be. Look at the chart. Look clearly at the chart. Zoomers, I want you to chime in and tell me, what do you think your next move is going to be? And we're going to do a test. We're going to do a test. Right side versus the left side. Left side, you answer first. Okay? What is going to be my next 1, 2 moves? What is going to be my next 2 moves on the left side?
Drop down,
All right. The left side, you're not in sync. Maybe I need to talk it out. Right side, talk it out. Because I want to know if you got it. I want to know if you understand it. All right. Y'all ready? Right side, y'all ready? All right. They working over here. They working. Okay. Oh, wait. All right. So you ready? All right. So did you speak with your team? All right. Cool. Here we go. So do y'all want to pass and give it to the right side and see if they answer first? Oh, you want? All right. Go ahead. What's the answer? Wait. Let's see if the Zoomers got it. Let's see what the Zoomer's saying. Down 50% into the V pattern. Downside 50%, I believe. Down to the 50%, 50%. Somebody's saying it's sell 50% and then drop through the floor. Somebody's saying it's going halfway down. Okay. You say it's going all the way down. Is that your final answer?
We're breaking the floor.
They breaking the floor. On the right side, what are we doing? Oh, y'all saying y'all going down too? So everybody say the market is going down.
Yeah.
All right. Everybody say the market is about to drop, right?
Yes.
I was giving, what, huh? Wait. All right, final answer. I was going to give, wait. But that's only one move. What's the second move? After what? Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you. Okay. All right. Come back to earth. Come back to earth. Just in case you guys didn't hear it. Because it seems like a lot of people in here are still confused. How many of you are still confused about the market? Okay, here we go. Okay, team. Are you writing this stuff down? After a strong move, the market comes down and get 50%. And then we pull back up, creating a double top. And then we drop down with a strong move, pulling back 50%, and then we give a double bottom. How many bottoms do we have? How many tops do we have? We got a strong move going up. What is the next move? 50% down. What is the next move? Boom! Okay, do you understand why we just broke up?
Yes.
Why? It's the fourth touch to that zone. Okay, look what the market was doing. It was setting you up the whole time. You were caught in the trap. Okay, you were caught in the trap. Look at this. Boom. Right here. 1, 2, 3. That's a warning. Stop selling. That's a warning. And number 4, right there. How many times have we went over this? The market resets the zone. 1. Uh-oh. 2. Oh, I can take that sell. 3. I can take that sell. Uh-oh. It's coming back to that zone. Stop selling. Okay. Now, here's the good part. Strong impulse move going up. What do we do? Thank you. Stick to your rules. Okay? Stick to your rules. Did you hear that? 50%. Stick to your rules. Okay? The market is going to give you that 50%. Okay? Let's just say your 50% is here. There you go. What's next?
Gotta make a strong move.
What is this right? Thank you. Let them know. Gotta make that M. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Here it is. Here it goes. Uh-oh. Remember I taught you guys what happens on the top happens on the bottom. Did we just break out of the consolidation?
Yes.
Is this consolidation?
Yes.
Did we just stick our head out of consolidation?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Is this a strong move right here?
Yes.
Boom, back into the zone. Is it starting to look like levels?
Yeah.
Is it starting to look like Monday to Monday?
Yeah.
Because the moment we break out of the zone, you ever notice when the market just came right back to it and threw a wick and you're saying to yourself, hey, but Orange, can I get into that trade? They got me into that trade. And now, guys, that's that M formation. That's that letter M. Or it's this. That harmonic pattern.
Yeah.
Y'all see it? Ooh, I know, right? I know. I know. I ain't want to do it to y'all tonight. But you know, I ain't want to. But hold up. We just came down 100%. Team, we just came down 100%. Uh-oh. Man, I love this part right here. We just came down 100%. What happens next? Where?
Right here.
Where? Right here?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Right there?
Yeah.
And now what? Oh, do I stop right here?
No.
Why not? Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Why are we breaking right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Breakout. Breakout. Y'all see it? There's your breakout. Boom. Boom. Woo! Is it starting to make sense now? Oh my goodness. Hold on. I need 50. Boom. Oh man, don't do it to him. Oh man. Don't do it. Which way? Back into the zone. Back into the zone, right? See, this is what I was trying to tell you about the level system. We go back into that zone. The moment we get back into that zone, see, you were probably looking for your entry. Tracy just showed you this. You thought your entry was going to be here. Remember, she was showing you this right here? But your entry, the market didn't come all the way back down to that zone, but instead it came here. See that? Why? It's mirroring. Left shoulder, right shoulder. Oh, uh-oh. Now look at this. Go back up. We're hanging around the zone. 1, 2, 3. And now we're doing the same thing all over again. We're back in the trap. And now, look at this. We're back in the trap. Uh-oh. What happens next, King? Boom. Boom. That's a triple top. That's a triple top now. Once we came down to the zone here, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're taking that market all the way back up to the top. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. This is that move that you're looking for. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sell down. 50%. What happens next? What happens next? Break out which way? To the upside. Guess what? That's your continuation of your uptrend. Everything that was happening right here was just the smaller moves that's getting you set up for that continuation to the upside. Does it make sense yet? I think tonight was your breakthrough. How many of you agree tonight was your breakthrough? That's what I'm talking about. That was your breakthrough.